To use a Google Passkey is pretty simple, and think of a passkey as another way to sign into your Google account using your face, fingerprint, and screen lock. And to do that is pretty much simple. You first have to navigate to the top right corner of our profile icon and tap on it. Then with this selected, proceed to tap on Manage your Google account. On the left panel, we have a tons of options. Make sure to tap on Security, and this will redirect you to an interface like this. Proceed to scroll down until you locate Passkey and security keys and tap on it. And in this interface, we're going to first create our passkey by tapping on Create Passkey. Don't worry, this same method is applicable to those using their phone, both iPhone and Android phone. So we're going to proceed to tap on Create Passkey, and in this box we're going to enter our PIN. And if you are using your phone, enter your screen lock or your Face ID or fingerprint. So I'm going to proceed to enter my PIN. After that, I will continue to tap on OK, and then passkey created. So we're going to proceed to tap on Done. So now to use it, all we have to do is to first sign out from our Gmail account. So I'm going to sign into Gmail by typing my Gmail email address, and after that I'm going to continue to tap on Next. With this selected, allow it a bit of moment to finish loading, and we'll be requested to enter our password. This time we'll not enter any password, we'll rather type on Try Another Way, and just like that we'll be prompted to choose how we want to sign in. So I'm going to tap on Use Your Passkey, and that's it. Gmail is asking us to enter our device PIN. So in your case, if you are using your phone, you will be requested to either use your face, your fingerprint, or the screen lock to sign in. In our case, we are just going to enter our PIN and then tap OK, and allow it a bit of moment to finish doing its things. Now Gmail is verifying whether it's us. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.